বাণিজ্যিক মানচিত্রে গুরুত্ব বাড়ল পশ্চিমবঙ্গের। সাম্প্রতিক দক্ষিণ পশ্চিম চীনের প্রদেশ ইউনানের সঙ্গে টি এডুকেশন ট্যুরিজম সহ একাধিক বিষয়ে মৌ স্বাক্ষরিত হল রাজ্যের একাধিক শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান এবং শিল্প মহলের। আইসিসির উদ্যোগে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল ইউনান ইকোনমিক এঙ্গেজমেন্ট শীর্ষক বিজনেস সেমিনারে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ইউনানের গভর্নর এবং এ রাজ্যের শিল্প মহলের একাধিক উচ্চস্থানীয় প্রতিনিধিরা।
West Bengal and Yunnan province, they share many commonalities. West Bengal is the gateway for eastern and northeastern states of India. Similarly, Yunnan and particularly Kunming, the airport there, that is the gateway for China. We can go to Beijing, we go to Shanghai through Kunming. So there is lot of commonalities in terms of culture, in terms of commerce. As I say, Calcutta to Kunming, that would provide like 1.5 hours, exactly less than 2 hours, you can reach to Kunming, which is much less than going to Delhi and Mumbai. So it is a right time that Kolkata and Kunming become more closer, K to K as they say, and there is tremendous potential for both travel and tourism because people want to go to alternate locations, and Kunming offers wonderful location in terms of its scenic beauties. Similarly, people from China, they should come to West Bengal, they should explore our hill stations of Darjeeling and all other locations what we provide. Also in terms of education and entertainment, because if the locations are good, you also need new locations for film shootings, for television shootings. So that also China would provide in a larger way, and also for Chinese companies to come here. In terms of education, there could be mutual agreements of collaboration and trade. As we all know, currently the trade between India and China is 73 billion, which is just 5%. So there is tremendous scope to grow this trade. Now China is India's largest trading partner, and that position can substantially go up in the years as we look. So this program, I am very sure, this is the first visit of the Honorable Governor of Yunnan to India, and during that time he is coming to West Bengal, also reinforces our Madam Chief Minister's strong desire that our Honorable Chief Minister means business. She and her colleagues, like our Industry Minister Dr. Amit Mitra and all, they would like that, West Bengal under the dynamic leadership of our Chief Minister, Madam Mamta Banerjee, the kind of industrial policies she has announced, the kind of ease of doing business, and the kind of message it is sending to both national and international level has brought the Honorable Governor of Yunnan to West Bengal today, and we are very sure that under her leadership we will see a joint collaborative, mutual looking forward and expanding relationship between West Bengal and Yunnan, and the visit and exchange of people, the exchange of government functionaries and exchange of delegations will come a long way in expanding our relationship, in establishing a mutual bondage and a strong bondage.